On this day in working class history, the 1st of November. On the 1st of November 2008, thousands of Boeing machinists won their 2-month strike. The walkout was costing Boeing $100 million a day and ended when the company and the union agreed a 15% pay rise over 4 years and increased ability for the union to challenge outsourcing. For sources, maps, and all of our anniversaries each day, check out the On This Day section of our Stories app at stories.workingclasshistory.com. And if you value our work, support us at patreon.com/workingclasshistory. Links in the show notes. Theme music by Ricardo Arrea. See you tomorrow.